Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 3rd from exercise 3.5. This question belongs from 10th class maths. Find the value of k for which following quadratic equation have real and distinct root. So here we have to find the value of k, and it is given to us that this equation have real and distinct roots. So by using this concept that this equation have real and distinct root, we are going to calculate the value of k. So firstly, we are going to compare this equation with the standard form and we will find out the values of a, b and c. So it's going to be like this. Here given equation is kx square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will compare it. So on comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to k, b equal to 2 and c equal to 1. Just see here, a is the coefficient of x square. So here in the given question the coefficient of x square is k, so a is equal to k. In the same way b is the coefficient of x and here the coefficient of x which is given to us is 2, so b is equal to 2 and c is the constant and here the constant is 1. So like this we have to compare and we have to get the values of a, b and c. Now we are going to write the formula for real and distinct roots. So for it the formula is, since given equation have real and distinct roots, so discriminant is greater than 0. Now what is the value of discriminant? The formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So this is the formula which you have to learn, because the given condition is real and distinct. For that the formula is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Now in this we are going to put the values. So when we substitute the values we will get the answer as b square. So what is b we calculated? 2. So b square is 2 square minus 4ac, there is no symbol, means they are multiplied. A is k and c is 1 greater than 0. Now why we had wrote this? Because the values of b which we calculated is 2 and a is k and c is 1, because of that. Now we'll simplify it. So we have to get here 2 square is 4 and minus 4kx is going to be 4k, then greater than 0. Now student, we have to simplify it further. This 4 is in having plus sign in this side, so when we shift in other side it's going to be negative. So we have to get here minus 4 at 4k greater than minus 4. So what we had done is, this plus 4 we shifted here, so when it will go in other side sign will change, it's going to be plus will change to minus. Now here in both the side minus sign is there, and since it's a inequality, so to remove the minus sign we have to multiply the complete equation by minus sign. We cannot do like in equation directly we should do. It's different. It is in equation. So in equation, to remove the minus symbol, what you have to do is you write down on multiplying by minus sign we get. So when we multiply by minus sign, it's going to be like this, minus multiplied by minus 4k. Then this inequation reverses. Reverses means whatever be the symbol, it's greater than, so it will change to the less than, then minus multiplied by minus 4. So it's going to be here plus 4k less than plus 4. Now in rough column you just understand why it happens so. Because student, so here I want to tell you that if we have an inequation, so inequation means if we have less than and greater than symbol, then that equation is named as inequation. And in inequation, if you want to remove minus sign, then the process is you have to multiply the complete inequation by minus sign. And when you will multiply the complete equation by minus sign, that time whatever sign you have, that interchanges, reverses. So here you have greater than symbol, so after multiplying by minus sign it will change to just opposite, less than symbol. So we will obtain like this. Now why it is happening, I am just explaining here from one simple example. Suppose we know that minus 5 is less than minus 2, but if you have to introduce, if somebody asks you what is the relationship between 5 and 2, your sudden answer is 5 is greater than 2. Now from this equation, this inequation, if you have to bring this inequation, then what you have to do, you have to multiply this inequation by minus sign. So what you have to do is on multiplying by minus sign. So when you will multiply by minus sign, it will happen like this: minus multiplied by minus 5, then greater than minus multiplied by minus 2. So like this we are going to obtain here. So when you will multiply minus by minus, you will get here 5 plus 5, and minus into minus is plus 2. So you will get 5 is greater than 2. So that's why the symbol of greater than and less than interchanges if you multiply by minus sign. So I hope it's clear to you. So now we obtained plus 4k less than plus 4. Now since we want only k, so we'll divide this complete inequation by 4. So we'll get here on dividing by 4, we get 4k divided by 4 less than 4 upon 4. So we will get here k less than 1. So that's our answer. Now, so what's the conclusion here? All the values of k which are less than 1. So less than 1, many values are there like 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So unlimited values are there which are possible for k. So we'll write here. So all the values of k which are less than 1 so here we write down, so for all the values of k which are less than 1, the given equation, so we'll write here given equation have real and distinct roots. That's it. So finally in answer we will write down k is less than 1. So this question is completed. So I hope this question is clear to you. Now in this complete question, 2 parts are remaining. They are also exactly similar to the first part. So you just try remaining 2 parts. If you have problem, write down in comments so that I can clear out your doubts. Thank you.